How do you feel when you meet people with missing teeth? No matter how well they've been dressed up, no matter how they behave, you have had your first impression and that might not be good. Luckily, we have the solution. It is called dental implant. It's a small titanium screw that you fix to the bone in your mouth. But what I see as dentist when these people come to a clinic, shame and anxiety during many, many appointments, thousands of euros to only fix that one tooth. And yet I'm a little bit scared about the future. What happens if we lose that implant because of infection? Over 20% of implants get infected in less than 5 years after fixation. It is a lot. And during my 10-year career, I've seen it is not easy to cure. So, as scientists, is there something we could do to prevent these problems? Yes, and that's where my PhD journey comes in. First, we could use right materials. Zirconia, the crown material in the picture. It is hard, and it beautifully mimics the natural white tooth color. And it also works well in the mouth. But it has weak points. The round hole in the middle of the crown is called screw access hole. And it's the hole for the screw that attaches the crown to the implant. And after fixation, it needs to be filled properly. Not only to avoid bacterial penetration to the inner parts, but also to avoid cracking of the zirconia around it. And secondly, what are the parts that we need between the crown and implant to get a better fit and to avoid these small gaps between those components that the bacteria so willingly want to attach, grow, and cause the infection? What I've done, I spent hours with microscope to see the fit between the crown and the implant. I have forced the bacteria to penetrate through the screw access hole, and I have crushed almost 100 of these expensive zirconia pieces only to see which material has the highest strength. And I'm super proud of our study results because they're so clinically oriented. We clearly showed that dentists need to use 3-step treatment for the screw access hole. We need to make it rough, we need to have a special bond, and then do ordinary composite filling. It's like a normal filling if you have any experience that. We have lots of things to do in dental field, and I need to spend like many hours with this microscope. But tomorrow, when I go to a clinic, at least I could appreciate the scientifically proven materials and methods and let people make those good first impressions with their beautiful smiles and make those smiles last longer. Thank you.